Okay. In hexagon, we are talking about regular hexagon. Regular hexagon right? In regular hexagon, what happens? Each interior angle of each interior angle of 120 degree. How you get that? Each interior angle is equal to n minus 2 6 minus 2 into 180 upon 6. So 3 times 6 becomes 18. So it becomes 30. 6 minus 2 becomes 4. So 4 into 30 is equal to 120. Right? So if you draw a line like this, say this is a line of 6 centimeter, right? You have taken an arc like this. This is of 60 degree, this is of 120 degree. This is of 60 degree, this is of 60 degree, this is of 120 degree, right? So it is going like that. It is going like this, it is going like this, right? But in hexagon, there is 6 in hexagon. In hexagon, 6 equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangles. It is, I am talking about hexagon only, right? So if you take arc of 6 centimeter and put a mark from here, so this is from this side and this is from this side, so you will get a point here. This is the center of the circle, right? This is an equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle, each angle of 60 degree, right? This angle of 60 degree, this angle of 60 degree, right? So this is a equilateral triangle of 60 degree and 60 degree. Then this will be of 60 degree and this is the center, right? Now what do? You draw a circle, taking it as a center. You draw a circle. You draw a circle like this, which is passing through this point and then this point, right? Like this. So then you take a arc of 6 centimeter from here. So 6, 6, 6, 6 and 6. When you join all this, right? When you join all this, you will get a inscribed hexagon, right? You get this? Do you understand me? This is a inscribed hexagon. In hexagon, there are 6 equilateral triangles. Fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
You get this?
Yeah.
Okay, so what your teacher is teaching you in science?
In science, currently we're learning like inheritance, variation, all that.
You are going with the Mendel's law?
What?
Mendel's law of inheritance.
Yeah, Mendel's law.
So, would you like to discuss on that today?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So, this you understand? This or not? Say yes or no. When you draw it by compass and protector and scale, compass and scale, you will get this, right? You just draw a 6 centimeter line here, right? You just draw a 6 centimeter line here and then make a arc from here of 6 centimeter, from here 6 centimeter, where they cut, that is the center. And then you draw the circle, and after that you make arc from 6 centimeter, and that is you will get inscribed circle, right? You try to do that. If you are not able, then I'll be here, right? Are you there?